Morning mathematicians, and welcome to Poster Method Monday. I want to remind you that mathematicians can use the solve method to solve word problems by showing and explaining their thinking. As always, let's start by visualizing and making mental pictures in our mind as we read the problem. Read with me. A crayon is 9 centimeter cubes long. A paintbrush is the same length as 2 crayons. How many centimeter cubes long is the paintbrush? So let's go over our steps. So when solving the poster method problem, first we need to read the problem. Now let's visualize what's happening. Tell someone at home what you are seeing. Remember that you can always pause the video. You are in control. Our second step will be to read the problem again. And then you need to act out what's happening. Act it out with someone at home. Our third step will be to read the problem again. Now you're going to ask yourself, how are you going to solve the problem? What strategy or strategies are you going to use and why? Remember to at least pick 2 different strategies to show your thinking. Our fourth step, we're going to read the problem once more. And then we're going to work independently to show our thinking. So we're going to take the next 8 to 10 minutes and we're going to verify our plan with action. Make sure that you are using 2 different strategies. Our fifth step, we're going to reflect. We're going to write 2 or 3 sentences on our data sheet about how or what we did to solve the problem. Then we're going to share. We're going to share our reflections with a family member. You can share your strategies, you can share your solutions. Share how you solve the problem. Remember that as you are working to solve the problem, to always have a goal in mind, whether it is to study the problem, organize the facts, line up a plan, verify your plan with action, examine your results. Always make sure to have a goal in mind, what it is that you need to work on as you're solving a problem. Follow these steps as you solve your problems, and good luck. I'll see you later.